So as an XRP holder and a Ripple supporter, there are a lot of questions that people ask, and there's a lot of questions that should be asked. I think this is probably one. This is a headline in Coin Edition, and it's actually asking a very poignant question, as an XRP attorney spots the adverse effects of Ripple if they lose to the SEC. And this is something that we really don't talk about very enough. So John E. Deaton, the prominent XRP attorney, recently predicted the adverse effects of the prolonged SEC Ripple lawsuit, alluding to the consequences of the beleaguered crypto firm Ripple losing to the SEC. The lawyer asserted that an unfavourable result for Ripple would be detrimental to the XRP community, as the case would be extended with the firm filing for an appeal, resulting in a retained status quo. In a tweet shared by Deaton on July 6th, he commented that the company would file for an appeal in the Supreme Court if the regulators win, upon which he believes that Ripple would win hands down. He added that the Supreme Court would consider the appeal if Congress hasn't acted by then. And below we have a tweet that was asked of John Deaton by XRP Wing Commander Porky. If this verdict goes against Ripple and the judge says XRP is a security, could we find that more XRP holders join the case that are suing Ripple in Oakland, California, rather than waiting for an appeal via the Supreme Court decision around the year 2030? And here you can see the quote from John Deaton saying what will happen if Ripple loses to the SEC. Now, as mentioned, Deaton's tweet came in response to the XRP holders post addressing Deaton, in which the XRP spokesperson requested the lawyer to comment on the outcome of the case if the judge concludes that XRP is a security. Being an amicus, Deaton shares his updates on the SEC Ripple lawsuit, keeping his followers and the XRP community posted with the latest developments in the case. While clarifying the XRP holders' doubts, the lawyer pointed out that though the firm's appeal would result in extending the prevailing conditions of the legal war to 2 to 5 years, the court's ruling timeline would probably end in a positive result for Ripple. In addition to this, the XRP advocate also pictured a scenario in 5 years' time in which the company had lost all of its appeals. Deaton predicted the commission would collect an amount of around 1.3 billion, not the civil plaintiffs. Later, the SEC would offer a payback, bestowing the XRP holders an amount to sell their tokens. So in effect, a possible guaranteed buyback of 1.3 billion could come into effect in 5 years should Ripple lose. Deaton further opinioned that on the list of over 75,000 XRP holders is beneficial because a massive punitive case of XRP holders is easily identifiable. Always good to see the flip side of what if we lose. There is almost a buyback clause there, but we'll wait and see what happens. Like and follow.